Hi guys, it's Suzanne from Between the Showings, and it's Easter. So we have the family coming over today, and so I gotta get cooking. So we'll be back later to show you the egg hunt. Here I am chopping up celery for the potato salad. And we use a mixture of mayonnaise, salt and pepper, mustard, sweet pickles, and the chopped celery and the chopped onions all together for our potato salad. And we put that mixture in the hot potatoes. That way that's what cooks the onions in it and the celery as well. And I like it hot. And my mom, she likes it better the day after when it's cooled and marinated together. And you know, the funny thing is, I am the least cook of the family. But it's come to the time where my mom is 92 and she's really not cooking, and Kaylee doesn't cook at all. Casey cooks a lot, but a lot of the main holidays, really, I'm just at the age it falls to me, so having to learn some things late in life. But this is an easy meal because it's really not a lot to cook. There are the hot potatoes, and then there's the mixture that we put in there. And once that mixture's in there and mixed in, and then I put a lid on it so that way it helps cook the onions and the celery a little bit. And so then we have deviled eggs that I make every year. Some people like pickles in our family in their deviled eggs, and some don't. So this is the batch that has the pickles in it, and I usually make it less of those because I think more people like no pickles, especially the kids. So I do that, and we do the ones with the without the pickles. And I feel like no matter how many eggs I make, it's not enough. I try to have enough to have 2 meals because usually everybody's here for lunch, and then a lot of people stay for dinner as well, but there's never enough eggs. That was Casey's farm eggs from her chickens that she has. And if you hadn't watched it, I have a YouTube short on how it's easier to peel an egg, and if you just pop with a spoon the top of the egg, and it'll have this pop, and then after you boil them, that membrane is easier to come off. And have you ever had an egg where it took like 1,000 little pieces coming off because you couldn't get the membrane off and it was hard to peel? So that stops that from happening. So that is something I always do now, is pop the egg. And then we put paprika on top, which I love. That really does have a flavor. I have learned that it does matter the quality of the paprika. The cheaper ones don't have as much of a taste to me. And so this one, I can't remember the name of it, but it was a higher quality one than the one I had gotten from Sam's before. Although I love Sam's, I just didn't like that paprika in the big jar that they had. So that's the one with the pickles, the smaller of the two of the eggs. And then that's what our meal was. It's got the deviled eggs, the ones with the pickles, the ones without. There's pickles that the kids have already eaten. We had mac and cheese, which I got that from the Honey Baked Ham place. And there's the potato salad done, and those are peas. We boil, and then after you cut it off, we put butter in there. And you had a Hawaiian rolls and ham from the Honey Baked Ham, which, you know, it's really an easy meal. Then we decorate. That's a couple of dollar store things I had that I glued together for the kids, just little things for them to have, and then decorate a little bit just with the bunny. That's at the kids' table. We're getting so big now that we need the kids to have their own little table. And usually we have tons of hors d'oeuvres. I didn't this time. We just had chips and dip. Okay, we are through eating now, and here's the egg hunt. You see, we have a few hidden, but we have some little ones, so... Whoops, somebody's already gotten an egg from there. We've got some hidden in plain, most of them are hidden in plain sight because these little ones are little. Let's see. Here we have another one right here. There's one right here. There's one. You know what? The chocolate that I have in them, it wasn't supposed to be hot today, but it actually is warm. It's supposed to be completely cloudy. My shadow's getting in the way. But we got some by the grill. We have some already fallen open down here. Some up here. Some in the water. Okay, on your mark, get set, go find some eggs. Hey, where's Matt, Kaylee? Casey?
Go and get them. I'll get the ones that are in here. Go. I know.
Charlie, there's a green one. Charlie, look in the green. Uh-oh.
You get the kitty cat egg.
Ray, there's a lot in here. Where are you going?
Right away,
Huh? Okay. Oh, that's funny. They're in Pawpaw's truck. Good job, Ray. Yay! Oh my goodness. They're just out here. I had Mason hide them. And look, y'all. He just like threw them out into the yard. Wow. Y'all have a lot.
We don't have to show people. We only have time to look. Yeah, I can go to one, Cabot.
The purple one.
Okay. I can't reach that one.
Oh, there's another
My
one.
basket's full.
Kip's trying to hold the limb down. Kaylee, they need help over here.
Kelly. Get help move out. Hey, pull this down or maybe get it. I see some in the yard over there. I got one behind the puppy dog. Ready?
What?
We're a bunch in there and 2 bags of peel.
You need some more bags. Oh, you found one.
It's a tiny bunny thing. And me and Silly are teaming up together, so all the eggs we have are easiest.
Oh yeah, we're gonna combine your share.
Oh, let me move from here. Let me see my character. This thing uses the best. You press down one. What I do with them, with the tiny ones?
This is the boys in the neighborhood. They're just chilling on this Easter day as well. That's how they get around sometimes in the neighborhood on their lawnmowers. And I think they were coming back from fishing. And we have a pond close by. Woo! And then they were just playing baseball in the yard, just enjoying this day. Hey guys, the Easter day is almost over. We just got through eating what?
I have an Easter
Let me move my hand. We just got through eating leftovers. We enjoyed the day and the family time.
Easter egg
So if you guys were here with us, thank you. Hope you enjoyed your day as well. So everybody, want to tell them Happy Easter!